The future of real estate is hyper-personal, not just in product, but in communication. For too long, the industry has treated every customer the same. A buyer interested in a 4 BHK is still spammed with ads for 2 and 3 BHKs. Why? And that too when he's already submitted his lease, engaged with your call center, and he's visited the site and mentioned, I'm a 4 BHK guy, because the ecosystem is broken. Online and offline don't talk to each other. CDPs exist at few places, data also exists, but the dots aren't connected. Now imagine a world where every ad, every WhatsApp, every call reflects what the customers actually want, and they target it on the basis of their discussion with you. That's what e-commerce mastered, and that's what real estate missed. Until now. Enter Beat AI, the engine of hyper-personalization. In a hyper-local industry like real estate, Beat AI brings true blue personalization to scale, merging customer behavior, search patterns, site visits insights, CRM data into one intelligent narrative. Not 2, 3, 4 BHK, just your BHK, whatever the customer wants. With Beat AI, we don't market product or the projects. We market possibilities made just for you. Because the homes have a lot more going on than just the location and the price. They have amenities and the connectivity criteria. So why can't we hyper-personalize every communication? The future is here. It's not just personal, it's Beat AI personal.